Web design encompasses many different skills and disciplines in the production and maintenance of websites. Often many individuals will work in teams covering different aspects of the design process, although some designers will cover them all. The term web design is normally used to describe the design process relating to the front-end design of a website, including writing markup. Web design partially overlaps web engineering in the broader scope of web development. Web designers are expected to have an awareness of usability, and if their role involves creating markup, then they are also expected to be up to date with web accessibility guidelines. Although web design has a fairly recent history, it can be linked to other areas such as graphic design. However, web design can also be seen from a technological standpoint. It has become a large part of people's everyday lives. Web designers use a variety of different tools depending on what part of the production process they are involved in. These tools are updated over time by newer standards and software, but the principles behind them remain the same. Web designers use both vector and raster graphics editors to create web-formatted imagery or design prototypes. Marketing and communication design on a website may identify what works for its target market. This can be an age group, a particular strand of culture, thus the designer may understand the trends of its audience. User experience is related to layout, clear instructions and labeling on a website. Usability experts, including Jakob Nielsen and Kyle Soucy, have often emphasized homepage design for website success and asserted that the homepage is the most important page on a website, leading many practitioners to argue that homepages are less important than most people think. Many practitioners argue that carousels are an ineffective design element and hurt a website's search engine optimization and usability. There are two primary jobs involved in creating a website: the web designer and web developer, who often work closely together on a website. The web designers are responsible for the visual aspect, which includes the layout, coloring and typography of a web page. Web designers will also have a working knowledge of markup languages such as HTML and CSS, although the extent of their knowledge will differ from one web designer to another.